Hi everyone, I'm Puck. I'm gonna get my hair cut because I'm done with the long hair.
Yeah. Picture, so you can see your current hairstyle. And it's long hair. Yeah. Far over the shoulders. Okay, let's start on Puck. Hello friends on YouTube. Puck is back to model for me. Now also Puck you can find on YouTube. She had a lot of hairstyles already. Even very kinky bots. Put on a cape. Gonna do this cut with a hot scissor. It's a scissor of Jaguar. You can find them on the internet, but they're hard to find. And when you want some, you have to ask the factory of the brand if they still have one. But it's very hard to do. The beautiful thing about the hot scissor is the most beautiful scissor there is. It seals the hairs and stay close, especially on normal hair, for 4 to 6 months. So a lot of people who come to the salon with long hair only come twice a year. And now and when summer is done. That's all. For me it costs a bit, but for them they have a lot more pleasure with long hair. Time of wetting the hair. And first take up roughly part of the hairs. And create a bob that frees the shoulders. And give her a nice toner, so her hair looks more vibrant. Toner, so you can wash Midney. She turns already herself. Now, I know she likes to have the hairs free from the shoulders. So where I start is around here, taking off a lot of hair. And drop it on the floor. Part hairs over the center line, on the skull bone. Set out a line where I like to work in. Clip the upper hair aside. Do this of course on both sides. Now the scissor, I have it on 140 degrees Celsius. So it's a nice warm. With that I need to seal the hairs. Go in. Get into the rounding. Hold my fingers in the line of cutting. Make sure there's a bit moist on the hairs, otherwise I burn my fingers. And I need the moist to get the heat of the scissor into the end of the hairs to seal the hairs. Watch at the natural folds. Go in and get that turn. Make sure you use the natural roundings. Put my cape a little bit lower. Cannot get on the skin of course, otherwise I would burn her. Don't want to do this. Not a crematorium. Get to my second line. Get the hairs up, go halfway in ears. Do this again on both sides. Die zou ook gelijk shorts daar kunnen maken weer van dat.
Ja, dat is echt super goed.
TikToks. Go to the line of cutting again. Make sure the roundings that I use are her roundings. Watch through the hairs on the line of cutting and use them as a guide. Work till I get on the half of the head and then turn around and go in the opposite lines to the other side. Cross control the center line. Lay the hairs in the rounding. Go into the rounding. You can always bend hairs the way you like them to lay. But using your feelings and set it in your mindset. Watch at the length. They come together on the center line. So they are okay. Take a line above the ear. Avoid it again. Go to the back. Hold my fingers in the line where I want to go. Make use of the roundings, what I told you. And go to the front. Freehand control. This I do because there's a waving, so I control it both ways. Set out the line to the front. Take a new line on it. Coming from the back, lifting up, creating a slight volume in the back. Pointing my fingers in the line of cutting. Pull the hairs to the back and lay them on the line of the bob. Watch at the line, it's a perfect line. Do this with the fine part of my comb so I can control the line much better. Go back to the front, lay it down. Get rid of ultra fine parts. And go in the opposite line to the back again. Coming to the last line on top. Starting in the back, lifting up, pointing to the line of cutting. This creates some volume on the back and a more playful effect. And work my way to the front again. Set hairs in the line of cutting. Lift hairs up and pin them away. On the center, like you did on the other side. Take the hairs up. Give them a slight effect. So I get a little bit more volume in the back. And while I get to the ear, I go to the baseline again. Knowing that also on this side you have a cross. One part of the hairs goes like this, the other goes that. So you have to cross control the line to the front to the back. So you're certain that you have the same length on both ways. Connecting the front to the back. Do the same. Dat is zeker wel lekker licht, of niet?
Ja, kan het zo door de zon jacket.
Ja, dat is goed. Voordat ik geen speaker heb, hoor. Dan kan ik niet zien. Ik kan niet door je heen kijken.
Nee?
Nee.
Hmm.
Is dat
Teleurstelling.
ja, je dacht dat je doorzichtig was.
Ja.
Onzichtbaar zelfs. Dat is wel leuk, als je iemand kon knippen die onzichtbaar was. Alleen maar haar of zo. Misschien nog wel een keer te doen.
Moet de manier zijn.
Ja. Ja, ik heb nog een studio, hè.
Kun je morgensuit?
Ja. Can go to the back, lift it up a bit. Go into the fall of the natural fall. Take your line on it. Can lift it up again. Give it that slight graduation. Turn it. Now on purpose I'm gonna create a new color of kin. This I create with 3%, so I use it as a toner color. Because I want the best condition of hair afterwards. And it's a bit in the line with this color, because I think this color suits her really nice. Bob lays them a little bit out of the center line. So I take the hairs to the front. Go stand in front, take it down and get rid of the center line. Now I'm certain that I have all the dry ends off and the best condition of hair. What I told you, when you cut hair with a hot tool, she don't have to cut hair for more than 4 months. And she will not have whole summer split ends or dry ends. So that's the beautiful thing of that. This scissor. Lay the hairs to the back. Now I can make her color. Okay, made the kin color for Puck. Put a photo of the product into the video. It's a toner. So it's ammonia free, paraben free, just nursing. That's what I like about this product.
Zo moeilijk te doen in de stad, maar op Belgium
Ja,
kan
maar
het.
je zit op allerlei buitenwegen. Hè?
Ja.
Comb this product nicely but firmly through the hairs. Stay away from the skin. Making sure it's spread all over. And you can see how creamy the product is, because it's really smooth. Close this, then in 25 minutes you rinse it out, put step 2 over it, seal it with a 10. 10 is also a fluid conditioner of Glint, also a really nice product. It's called 10 because you have to put it on the hairs and then 10 seconds leave it in or brush it through.
That stuff's magic.
Huh?
That stuff is magic.
Ja.
Ik heb het wel een keer van Emmy gehad.
Don't go away. Buck is also staying here. Okay, back from coloring. After 25 minutes we rinse it out. put a step 2 over it and put the 10 conditioner over it. Now to give Puck's hair a light boost, I use zero weight gel. Product of Lanza. Smells really delicious and adds volume. Even lekker dat is, hè? The neckline, blow drying with a medium brush and creating as much volume as I can. Veel meer een model blijft zitten.
Ja.
Als je maar een model hebt, het is veel langer mooi. Hè?
Dat zou tegenwoordig ook kouder weg kunnen blijven.
Ja,
Dat is dan al een
ah, dat is al heel lang. Ja. Sofa blow dry. This hairspray you can use every day because it comes really lightly out of your hairs. It's never feeling like hairspray, but it is a real hairspray. But if you want to fixate for a short time, it's really nice to work with. And Coldwell is T.K.S in the States. And for those who think get paid by Goldwell or anybody, it's not true. I just use the products that I like to work with and like to show you which products there are. So this is the hairspray I used. I thank Puck for being my model. I thank you for watching. She will turn around to show you the end result and we see each other next video. Bye bye. You're more than welcome, love. Een lekkere volle pop. Dankjewel.
Everyone, I'm Puck. I'm gonna get my hair cut because I'm done with the long hair.
Yeah. Picture so you can see your current hairstyle. And it's long hair. Yeah. Far over the shoulders. Okay, let's start on Puck.